Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your child's Netflix watch history. So once you're inside your Netflix account, guys, and this has been done on PC, hover over your account on the upper right hand side and simply go to manage profiles. And you want to do this from your personal profile, not the kid's profile. Now, under the profile section, scroll down and choose the child's account or the child's profile. And under this section, scroll down again and you'll find viewing activities. If you click on this, you will see all the different shows and movies that your child is currently watching or your children is currently watching, right? So you can scroll down and you will see every single thing that they're currently watching, right? And here you can even choose to hide from view history. This is what someone can do, or you can report or whatever, but this is how you can easily go ahead and check them. And if you want to download them, you can simply download all by clicking download right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.